Hello everyone, welcome to Zexus Development. In today's video, we'll be installing the Quasar Smartphone Pro into our FiveM server. This next generation smartphone brings a sleek and futuristic design, an advanced user interface, and an array of immersive features that takes your roleplay experience to the next level. Why this smartphone is a game changer? Because it have a beautiful design interface that feels realistic and responsive, stay connected with high quality in-game video calling, enjoy unique and interactive games right from your phone, engage with an immersive social network to enhance roleplay, and create and manage racetracks directly from your phone. This smartphone isn't just a communication tool, it's a fully interactive experience that adds depth, realism, and entertainment to your server. I'll guide you through the installation process step by step and provide a full showcase of the script in action. If you want to bring a next level smartphone mechanics to your FiveM server, believe me, this is the ultimate script to have. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. This is the Smartphone Pro which we are going to install into a FiveM server. The script is from Quasar store. I'll provide the Tebak store's link in the description below. By clicking over here, you can preview the script. When purchasing the script, use code Zexus to get 10% discount. After when you purchase the script, you will receive these two resources in your granted access section of your Keymaster. You just need to download them both. After downloading it, you just need to extract the files. Now open the props folder, then copy this folder from here. Then you have to paste it over here. Just like this. Now come back from this folder, then copy the Smartphone Pro folder from here, then paste it into your FiveM resource folder. So I'll be pasting it over here. Just like this. Now copy the name of the folder and ensure into your server.cfg. Just like this. Now press Ctrl S. If you're using QBCore framework, you have to delete the QB phone from here. Just like this. Now open the Smartphone Pro folder, then go to SQL. Now we have to run these two SQLs from here. First, let's run the QBSQL. Double click over here, then open your head SQL, select your server, then click on run. Now let's run the phones SQL. Double click over here, open the head SQL, then select your server, then click on run. Now open the images folder, then copy these images from here and paste it into your QB inventory. For that, you just need to go to QB inventory, HTML, images, and paste your images over here. Then click on replace. Just like this. Now we have to add the items in our items.lua. For that, we have to visit the documentation of Quasar Smartphone Pro, then extend the section of inventory items. From here, you have to select according to your inventory. So I'll be selecting QB inventory. Then copy this line of code from here, then paste it into your items.lua. For that, you just need to go to QBCore, shared, items.lua. Then come to the very bottom line of the code, then paste your line of code over here. Now press Ctrl S to save the process. And also make sure to download all the dependency for the script. Now open the QS Smartphone Pro folder, go to config, then config.lua. From here, we can configure the language which we want to use. So I have set into English. To use the smartphone, you can configure the keybind from here. So I'll be changing the F1 to M. Now press Ctrl S. From here, you can configure the voice system which you are using in your FiveM server. So I'll be selecting the default one, which is PMA. And these are the config ringtone which comes with the script. In this config section, we can configure the no signal zone for our phone. If you want to add any zone, we just need to copy the line of code from here and select the vector 3 to create the zone. From here, we can configure the power backup speed of our phone when our charge get disabled. If you're using QS housing, then you can use the house charging system by turning it on true. If you want the power bank returned to your inventory after the charging, then you can set it into true. From this line of code, you can configure the battery consuming percentage consumed by using a particular apps. From here, you can configure the location of your charging booth which are in your server. From where you can charge your phones. From this line of config, you can set up the public telephone system in your FiveM server. From this line of code, you can configure the location of your phone repair system, which will be used if you forget your phone's password or if you want to reset your phone. This location will help you. From this line of code, you can enable or disable the phone recharge system in your server. So I'll be keeping it default for now. From here, you can add your visual news job, and from here you can add the job in which you want to use the billing system. From here, you can configure the SOS system of your phone. From here, you can configure the speed dial for your particular job. You can enable or disable the wallet system from here, and you can configure the price to charge if you enable the wallet system. There is one more system which is Uber Eats. You can configure it from here, and from here you can configure the delivery items for your Uber Eats. From this line of config section, you can configure management app. In here, you can add any job with a particular rank that can promote someone or hire someone or fire someone from the particular department, and also withdraw and deposit the department's money. From this line of config, if you want to add a particular job to use a particular app, you can add it from here. or if you want to block a particular job for the particular app, you can do it from here. So yes guys, that's it for the installation and config part. Now let's start the server. So we are in a server now. As you can see, this is the first look of our phone. Just click over here to turn it on. As you can see, we got the iPhone interface over here. Just click over here to start, then click on setup, then click on continue. You can set up the face recognize system. You just need to click on continue. Now you have to set up the password for your smartphone. After that, click on yes. Now you have to select the appearance for your smartphone from light and dark. So I'll be selecting the dark over here. Then click on continue. After that, you will get interface of welcome to your phone. Then click over here to start. Then swipe up to unlock the phone. As you can see, this is the first interface of our smartphone. Go to App Store. And from here, you will get varieties of applications in the App Store. As you can see, here we have the Instagram. And here we have the Twitter. To download it, you just need to click on get. After that, click over here. As you can see, these are the applications which we just installed into our smartphone. Here we got an amazing Instagram feature in this smartphone. Let's create an account over here. Let's add the number over here. Then click on continue. We receive a verification code just like a real life phone. Just copy this verification code from here. Let's paste it over here, then click on continue. Give the full name, so I'll be giving the name of Zexus, then the password will be this. After that, click on continue, give the username, continue. As you can see, here we got a realistic Instagram feature in our smartphone. Also we got a realistic Twitter interface and a working YouTube as well. Here we have to paste the link of the video which we want to see, so I'll be pasting it over here, then click on search. Hello everyone, welcome to Zexus Development. In today's video, now let's check out the Onion browser. This browser works as a night market over here, as you can see. Now let's add some micro SMG in here, then click on add to cart. As you can see, here we got a notification over here. And we got an email in here, as you can see. And also we got a timer in our screen. And we also got a location marked on our map. So let's go over there. And here you can see there is a guy standing over here. You just need to press E to collect your item. As you can see, I got a micro SMG in my inventory. Now let's open the racing application. From this app, you can create your own racing track. So I'll be giving a name of test. Then click over here. Okay, we must be in a vehicle. So let's spawn a car. Now we have to start adding the checkpoints. Press 7 to add the checkpoints. As you can see, you just need to keep pressing 7 to add the checkpoints. As you can see over here. Now you can see on the map, the track has been marked in our map, as you can see. To save the work, you just need to press K. That's it. Now to start the race, we just need to click over here. Then we have to select the track. Now we have to select the number of laps, so I'll be selecting 1. After that, click on this check mark. To start the race, we just need to click over here, then click on this green button. As you can see, the track has been ready and set. To start the race, we just need to press on this blue button. Now turn off the phone. Now as you can see, the race will be started in 4 seconds. 3, 2, 1, let's go. As you can see, the animation looks really great. As you can see over here, the animation of flame. So as you can see, the race has been finished, and in the phone you can see the scores, as you can see over here. And one more thing, here we got an amazing working camera of the phone. As you can see over here, you can also hear the realistic clicking sound of the phone. As you can see, to record the video, you just need to scroll the photo to video. Then by clicking over here, you can record the video. Click Alt to release the cursor. As you can see, to go to the selfie mode, you just need to click over here. As you can see, so here we are in the front of phone booth. As you can see, press E to use the phone booth. These are the predefined speed dials which are configured. If you want to call any specific number, you just need to click over here and you have to dial the number. So now let's call the police. As you can see, there is no one available to answer your call, as you can see over here. And there are more different type of amazing features are present in this smartphone. so you can explore the smartphone as you want. So yes guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.